I love planters in my yard and in my garden that are a little bit whimsical, colorful, and just plain cute. And look at these owls. How cute are they? I went to the greenhouse yesterday, got some little seedlings to plant in here. If you can find plants that are in like a 3-inch pot, they will fit in there perfectly. This is like a resin. It is not glass, it is not ceramic. You can adjust the height of the rope. So if you want it shorter, you can adjust it by pulling more rope out and making the knot closer to the swing. But this is so cute. It has a drainage hole in the bottom right there. If this will pull out, you can pull this out so that your plants won't get too wet. This would be great for succulents. It would be great for spider plants, any kind of a vining plant. I will probably take these out and plant them in my garden and then put something in there that's gonna like hang over the edge. I just think that would be so pretty for this summer. And I have a shepherd's hook here. This would be cute on a porch, a patio. You can hang it inside, outside. I like to have stuff outside. So I have a shepherd's hook here and I'm gonna hang it right there. But how cute is that? I absolutely love them.